Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2019 onwards, Exercise 2.9, Multiple Choice, Question number 21. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then alpha power 2020 plus beta power 2020 is. Here, first let us write the equation. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are minus 1 plus minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 comma minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. Here alpha equal omega and beta equal omega square. That is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is omega. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 is omega square. Now let us start the given things with alpha 2020 plus beta 2020. We can express this as alpha 2020 is that is here omega 2019 because it's multiple of 3 and omega 1. And second thing, beta is omega square. For that you can express omega square of 2 into 1008 into omega square. Here the first thing is it's multiple of 3, therefore you can write as this one as here this is omega plus this omega square equal minus 1. We know that 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Then you can say omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. The option is this. Next one, question number 22. The product of all four values of cos of pi by 3 plus I sine of pi by 3 whole power 3 by 4. Now let us write the given things, that is cos of pi by 3 plus I sine of pi by 3 whole power 3 by 4 by De Moivre's theorem, which can be written as cos of power is come front 3 by 4 2k pi plus pi by 3 plus I sine 3 by 4 same 2k pi general solution 2k pi plus pi by 3. Now put k equal 0, 1, 2, 3. We are putting 4 values. We will get the roots are up after simplification. We'll get we put 0 put k equal to 0, we get generally cis. Cis means cos and sine pi by 4. If put k equal to 1, it becomes cis 7 pi by 4, cis 13 pi by 4. That is, we are giving values of 2. K values 2. K values 3, if you put it, given cis of 19 pi by 4. Now the product equal cis of product become addition here, pi by 4, 7 pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 4 plus 19 pi by 4. Cis 4 common, pi 7 pi is 8 pi, 21 pi 40, 21 pi 40 pi, which gives cis 10 pi. Therefore, expanding cis pi, we can get sine of that means first with cos of 10 pi, because 40 pi by 4 is 10 pi, plus I sine of 10 pi. Here cos 10 pi is 1, this is a multiple of pi, that's 1 plus I sine pi is 0, that is sine 10 pi is 0, which gives 1. Our option is option is 3. Now question number 23. If omega is not equal to 1, is the cubic root of unity of this determinant equal 3k, then k is equal to. Now 23. Now let us write the determinant given, that is 1, 1, 1, 1 minus omega square minus 1 omega square and 1 omega square omega power 7 equal 3k. We know that 1 plus omega square equal 0 and omega cube equal to 1. From that we'll apply this values here, which gives further 1, 1, 1, 1 minus omega square minus 1 is omega square as it is 1 omega square, and omega power 7 is omega 3 into omega 3 into omega, that is omega 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into 1 into omega equal 3k. Now we can easily expand this 1 into omega square minus omega power 4. Omega power 4 is omega minus 1 into omega minus omega square plus 1 into omega square minus omega. Omega square minus omega equal 3k. Here omega power 4 you are getting omega only. Therefore, we'll get by simplifying 3 omega square minus 3 omega equal 3k, which gives k value is omega square minus omega. Therefore, we can put the k value here. Omega square is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 minus omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. By simplifying, we'll get, because 1 cancel, then minus I root 3 of minus I root 3 minus 2 I root 3 minus 2 I root 3 by 2, which gives minus I root 3. The option is 4. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.